What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing something absolutely insane. I'm going to give you 10 powerful, mind-blowing ways you can share your faith with literally anyone, anywhere. And the best part? You don't even have to be a preacher or have everything figured out. These are for you. We're talking simple, practical methods that will change the way you think about sharing your beliefs forever. So many people think this is hard or awkward, but I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new playbook. I'm not just going to give you a boring list. We're going to break down each one step by step so you know exactly what to do. Watch till the end. The last few tips are some of the most powerful ones I've ever seen. You absolutely cannot miss them. These 10 methods are your new superpower. Are you ready? Let's get into it. First up, we're tackling the most underrated yet most powerful method of all time. Let's go. Alright, first on our list, simply living by example. I know it sounds simple, but hear me out. Your actions speak 1,000 times louder than your words ever could. How you treat the cashier, how you react when someone cuts you off, how you handle pressure at work or school, these moments build your reputation without saying a word. They start wondering, what's different about this person? This isn't about being perfect, it's about being authentic. So, your first challenge. For the next week, be intentional, offer help before being asked, celebrate others, choose grace over gossip. You are creating a foundation of trust and respect. Let your life be the trailer that makes people want to see the full movie. Okay, method number 2 is huge. This is where you get to be the hero of your own movie, sharing your personal story. Think in 3 parts: before, how, after. What was life like before your faith became personal? What changed? What is life like now? Your struggles, your victories? These are relatable. You don't need a lightning bolt story. Sometimes the quiet ones are the most powerful. Practice telling your story, write it down, say it out loud, try to get it down to a few minutes, short and compelling. When a friend is sharing a struggle, you can say, "Man, I know exactly how that feels. I went through something similar, and here's what helped me." You're not preaching, you're sharing a solution that worked for you. Your story is your superpower. Use it. Alright, this next one is a total game changer. The absolute best way to share your faith is to stop talking and start listening. Become the best listener your friends have ever known. Listen to understand, not to respond. Ask about their life, what they believe, why, their hopes, dreams, and biggest challenges. Then, just listen. Your challenge: have a conversation this week where you speak 20% and listen 80%. Understanding their perspective unlocks everything. You'll be blown away by what happens. Okay, let's talk about the biggest platform in the world, social media. You're on it every day, so why not use it to plant seeds of faith? Think of your feed as your personal billboard. Post value, an uplifting quote, a nature photo with a calm caption, a link to an encouraging song or video. Be authentic. Share what truly resonates. Use stories and short videos to share your journey. Ask questions like, "What's one thing you're grateful for today?" to spark casual engagement. A person scrolling late at night could see your post and feel lifted. Don't underestimate that single seed. Be the light in their feed. Create a positive corner of the internet. Alright, this next method is one of the most personal and powerful things you can do. It costs nothing but a moment, simply offering to pray for someone. When a friend faces a family illness, a stressful exam, or job loss, offer, "Hey, is it okay if I pray for you?" It's selfless. If you offer, actually do it. Set a reminder. Then follow up. "Been praying for you. How are things?" That follow-up proves you care. It opens the door to deeper conversation about prayer and faith. You are being the hands and feet of Jesus, simple, powerful, and compassionate. Let's move on to a classic strategy: inviting people to events. Not just Sunday morning, barbecues, community service days, concerts, holiday parties, sports leagues. Make the invitation about the relationship. "Hey, my friends and I are going to this awesome free concert. Wanna come?" When they arrive, be a good host. Introduce them. Make them comfortable. Follow up later. "What did you think?" Let them experience the community organically. People supporting each other and living life with joy. That breaks stereotypes better than any argument. Method 7. The art of gift giving. Not homework. Give a well-chosen book, a powerful album, a beautiful art print, something that impacted your faith. Tie the gift to a conversation. "I was thinking about our chat. This changed my perspective." No pressure, just care. Create a Hope Mix playlist. Send a ticket to an event. Include a handwritten note. These are vessels of care. They explore faith on their terms. The gift opens a door. It doesn't force one. This next one is the foundation for everything else. Be respectful and non-judgmental. Respect builds bridges, not burn them. Don't belittle questions or make someone feel on trial. Honor their journey, treat doubts as thinking, not weakness, and separate the person from their beliefs. When people feel safe, heard, valued, they open up in ways you can't imagine. Kindness becomes the most convincing argument. This next method is one of my all-time favorites because it's active and fun. Find a soup kitchen, community cleanup, habitat build, or animal shelter, and invite a friend to come help. It shatters the stereotype that faith is just sitting in a building. It shows faith is active. Get your hands dirty. Serving together creates bonding. Sweating together produces authentic conversation. People see your community as people who care. This is side-by-side evangelism. Same problem, same solution, shared mission. Finally, method 10. Become a curator of amazing content. Share books, podcasts, videos, and articles that directly address someone's interests or questions. Listen to your friends, then match a specific resource to their need. Science, history, art, find the right angle. Don't spam, send a personal note. This made me think of you. Let me know what you think. Recommend a time-stamped clip or episode. Podcasts are perfect. People listen while driving, working out, or doing chores. Recommending a short episode or timestamp is gold. You're not the expert. Point them to experts. Be their guide to great content. Quick recap. Live it out, tell your story, listen first, use social media, offer prayer, invite to events, give thoughtful gifts, be respectful, volunteer together, and share great content. Now, your challenge starts next. Pick one method and try it this week. Come back and share your experience in the comments. And that's it. 10 powerful and practical ways to share your faith. Pick just one of these methods this week and try it. Maybe offer to pray for a coworker or invite a friend to volunteer with you. Come back and share your experience in the comments. I'll be reading them. Let's encourage each other. If this helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got tons more coming to inspire and equip you. Thank you for watching. Now go out there and be a light in the world. I'll see you in the next video.